I'm feeling.
He wairua ha koa koa tā ngā mahi waka wai. He oi, he kaupapa o kawa e pupu ake nei. He kōpai waiata hou tā Stan Walker, a kuni ka rangona e te Māria. Tēnā koe hoa, kei te pihia?
Kei te tino harikoa te nākau, just about everything that's happening right now.
Talk to me a bit about the launch. What's going through your mind?
I think relieved more than anything. It's been a long process. It's been a 5-year process of many ups and many, many downs. So I feel like it's ready. I'm like overdue. Like I'm ready to pop this thing, like get it out.
E haruru ana te ware Walker, ka tahi anō ka wānau mai tā raua tamāhine. Hei tā Stan, he mate kainga tahi, ora kainga rua te wairua o te kōpai waiata hou.
This album like just explains from the beginning that I'm all in with everything, and even the collaborations we were all in. But this song is like, the first verse is, my mama always said I fall in love too hard. Yeah, she right. But I can't really help but fall in love so hard. Ooh.
Fall in love with this baby.
Yeah.
That must be different for you. Something new that you're getting used to.
Oh, I love it, eh? Man, she had a good scream last night. I was like, oh, my baby. And then put the thumb in, I was like, you a little liar. Like, it was intense. Like, she started having, like, real little tears. I was like, you're only 5 weeks old, girl, but...
Ahakoa tōna nihoroa, he tuatahitanga mōna te hura kōpai waiata.
First things first, I'm the realest. Yeah, I'm the show and the ticket. Yeah, I run the whole damn business. We up, and I ain't winning till the whole team winning. Keep up, and I ain't finished till the whole thing finished. I aim to be the greatest while LeBron say, haters hate, happy days, what the fun.
So this is the first studio album launch that you've done of this nature. What's going through your mind?
Nerves. I just want to be good. I want my voice to sound good. I want to be able to sing these songs in a way that touches people in a whole new way. Like if they've heard them today on the album by listening to it, I want them to hear something different tonight and feel something different. So I'm nervous, but because I just want to be good and I want to be amazing, you know.
Come on. I am the color.
Whoa. I'm feeling a little bit nervous at the whānau. I've got the shakes, got the witties. First of all, thank you so much for everybody coming out tonight. This is the very first time I've ever done an album launch, and this album's taken 5 years, so I feel like it deserves it.
Don't expect your forgiveness, you got nothing to say. Except that's why I did this, why would I act this way? When we had what we had, I made you question it, and that makes me so sad.
He kaupapa mata waiaro, a kua tai mai te puhi o te pō.
It's all because I wanted more, and I had it all.
Nā ngā waka wai o te wā, kua tahi tau te tōmuri o tēnei kōpai waiata. A piti ki tēnā, I au katingia tōna haerenga a motu.
It was discouraging, disheartening, and it kind of took a toll on me in terms of my joy, in terms of my passion for music. And also, on the other side, it opened up new opportunities that wouldn't have happened otherwise. We had a lot of plans for different videos, and we were going to go and shoot here, shoot there. And I actually, because we were stuck, we couldn't go nowhere. And I was like, actually, this place is beautiful. I want to film where people don't film. everybody wants to go to the same spots and film in the same, you know, places and get the same shots. And I'm like, nah, I want to actually film the rugged, the raw, the beautiful, untouched, vast awa, the awa tupua. And I filmed 2 videos here, one down in Koroniti and one in Parikino.
Oh baby, 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 come home. Oh baby, 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 come home.
We will forever have that moment for our kids and our mokopuna to see me and Lou in the Nashi fields at Parikino, in the Marae Aotea, at the homestead at Putiki, on the banks of Te Awa Tupua, at Castle Cliff, at Citadel Cafe, you know, us on the four-wheeler, on the roads of Parikino, you know, where all her tupuna come from, is a beautiful thing. And then also I shot Human in Wellington in lockdown as well, and so it kind of forced me to do something that I wouldn't have thought of and I wouldn't have done if I had the freedom.
The salt in the air reminds me of summer days, better days. I have everything, but why do I feel like I have nothing?
When I think about the video for Human, you know, it was a really powerful video. It was really raw and authentic. It talked to me a bit about, I suppose, what it's like opening up and being so vulnerable through your music and sharing those parts of yourself with everyone.
For me, with Human, I wanted to kind of bare my soul and almost like I had to like show ugly parts of myself that only my closest friends have seen, my closest friends who have saved my life.
Don't be fooled by my smile. Inside it's all ruins, and these walls that stood tall have crumbled to the ground.
When I was doing the video, like everything that I did, I was just reenacting exactly how I was. The yelling, the swearing, the drinking in bed, the crying, the laughing, the manicness, the blooming chaoticness. There's so many different levels to it. And I remember when I was shaving my head, that represented shaving off my vanity and my face. Shaving, it was almost like, here, I'm going to take off my mask, I'm going to peel it off, because that was a statement for me. And in that time that I did that, because I actually did that in real life, I went through a midlife crisis. I just had the ugliest breakup, and I just shaved all my head off, and I had an ugly mullet because I just didn't care. I wanted to be hideous. And then I was just like shaving my head, and I was like, I was thinking about my 2 cousins who committed suicide a year apart. And they were like my brother and sister. We all lived together. We were best mates, worst enemies, like everything. And I just remember shaving my head, and I actually broke down because I was like, I couldn't save them, but I can save somebody else. That's where Human comes from.
E whai ake nei, te tai tuara o te wānau.